You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Brown, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my sister, Jazz, she drops her 4 children off at my house all the time.
From the moment this hearing begins, you can feel the tension boiling under the surface. For kids dropped off for 3 straight years, $20 bills handed out like pocket change, and a mother who seems more invested in her nightlife than her own children. This is the kind of case that flips from calm to chaos in minutes. Judge Vonda instantly realizes something isn't adding up here, and as the excuses roll in, each one gets more unbelievable than the last. So buckle up, this one stings.
I have 1 child, that's all I had, and so I'm looking to receive some child support for these children because I'm taking care of them more than she is.
And how many children did you say?
She has 4 children.
And all 4 live with you?
Yes, I'm just gonna say they do, yes.
Do they or don't they?
They're there all the time, so yes.
When Ms. Brown quietly says the kids have lived with her for 3 years, that's the moment everything shifts. 3 years is not babysitting, not helping family. It's full-time, unofficial custody. And the mother tries to downplay it with "she never says no," as if that magically erases responsibility. Judges hate when a parent leans on someone else's kindness while refusing to acknowledge the burden they've created. What do you think? Is that help or straight-up exploitation?
Okay, how long have they been living
all
with
the
you?
time?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm talking to her. I'm not talking to you. You will have your opportunity to speak in just a moment, okay? Okay. Thank you. So, how long have they been living with you?
For about 3 years now.
3 years?
Yes.
That is all the time. Okay. And has your sister given you any type of child support for her kids?
No, she has not. She'll give me $20 here and there, but
$20 for 4 kids?
$20, yes.
What about health insurance? How are these children covered under health insurance?
They do not have health insurance.
Because you won't put them on there.
Excuse me.
The second Ms. Brown reveals the kids have no health insurance, Judge Vonda locks in. Health coverage isn't optional. It's basic parenting. And when a parent refuses to enroll their kids while the aunt is ready to take it on, the judge sees it as a giant red flag. Meanwhile, the mother keeps interrupting like she's defending a lifestyle, not 4 children. This is where the judge starts putting the pieces together. Is this real struggle or just reckless priorities?
That's the last outburst from you, okay? Thank you. Health insurance, is it available through your job?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is.
So if I were to order that the children are enrolled in health insurance, you're able to do that through your employer?
Yes, I am. I work for an advertising.
Okay.
Yeah, they should be able to do
Do you
that.
know about how much it would cost?
Roughly $250 for all 4.
Okay, $250 for all 4, okay. All right, is there anything else you want to let me know before I move over here to your sister?
And here comes the classic twist. I'm an upcoming artist. I have to go to the clubs. It's the kind of excuse judges hear all the time. Ambition used to justify absence. But nothing hits harder than when she can't even list all her kids' ages correctly. That tiny pause exposes everything. Disconnection, instability, and a parent who's more focused on her hustle than her home. Be honest, did that excuse convince you even for a second?
No, you can talk to her.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. First off, those are her nieces. She never says no when I drop them off.
Those are your kids.
I understand that. But I'm trying to make a living for me and my kids. I'm an upcoming artist. I have to go to clubs every night to make appearances.
What kind of artist are you?
I sing and I rap.
I've never heard you.
Okay, well, do you get on
Neither have
Spotify?
I.
Because I'm on there. I can sing for y'all right now.
No, thank you.
Look.
But, I mean, here's the reality of it is, you have 4 children that you need to support.
I
Regardless.
am supporting them.
You're not supporting them, giving them $20.
Judge Vonda tries to stay calm, but when the mother proudly admits she gives a little something, meaning $20 in snack cakes.
$20 is
her
not
$20.
Excuse me. $20 is barely enough to purchase 2 of them something to eat at a fast food restaurant.
Okay, I drop them off with some little Debbie cakes sometimes. Like, they good. It's a
Did
snack.
you really just say that?
5, 4, and 3. Like, They don't need no big old meal or nothing.
5, 4, and 3. You're missing
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
You don't even know
I have
how old they are?
twins.
Oh, okay.
They're
two,
both 5. Yes, ma'am.
2, 5. So you expect her to support 4 children of Little Debbie? Is that what you're telling me
provide
here
the Little
today?
Debbie snacks. So how is she supporting my Little Debbie snacks?
And you think there's nothing wrong with what you're saying, right?
No.
The judge finally snaps. You can see it in her face. This isn't support. This is disrespect disguised as effort. And the mother's jokes and casual tone only make it worse.
I'm doing what I can.
Well, you need
I
to sing
am.
some more because obviously you're underpaid and you need to be paying your
Ma'am,
sister.
I'm upcoming, so I can be underpaid. I'm getting whatever I can get. I do nails on the side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how much are you making with doing nails?
I mean, whenever I have a client, like every day, maybe $300 a week, maybe that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much of that do you give your sister besides $20?
Whenever I
Zero.
get that, I give her a little bit of something.
No, that is unacceptable. And the fact that you came in this courtroom and
Every time she laughs, she makes her case sink deeper. Would you say the judge overreacted or reacted exactly right?
actually admitted that is very sad.
Admitted what?
That you have not been supporting your children. You know what? I'm not about to play this
I
game with
have
you.
been.
Obviously, you came here to waste my time. You have not $20 in Little Debbie snacks. And don't say
She's
that
talking
again.
about a couple
No, ma'am.
times $20.
Oh, I'm
A
sorry.
couple of times
I put
is a
food
couple of times.
in their mouth
Excuse
when
me.
they're home with
She
me.
drops off.
Hold on 1 second. Excuse me. It is not her responsibility to take care of your children. If you are going
I
to leave your
understand
excuse
that.
me, you obviously don't understand because you're not listening to what I said.
This is where the case flips completely. The tax return reveals she makes around $30,000, not the "I'm barely surviving" narrative she's trying to sell. Judges rely on numbers, not feelings.
If you are going to leave your children with your sister, first of all, it needs to be an agreement that she even wants to take in 4 additional children.
If she didn't want them, she could say that. She's never said that.
No, it doesn't
I've
matter.
definitely
These are
said
your
that.
No, you
children.
haven't.
Now what's going to happen today, you're going to pay her some child support, and it's going to be more than $20. I can assure you that. Now, you said you provided this, never mind. This tax return, who?
One of her boyfriends.
No.
One of her
He
boyfriends.
It was
does
my
that.
last baby daddy mafia. Okay, he did it for me.
Oh,
He
okay.
been doing taxes for years.
Right, and he reported you at $30,000 a year?
Yeah, about that.
And this number destroys her entire argument. And the cherry on top? She starts painting her nails in court, as if this is a salon appointment, not a legal hearing. That kind of attitude makes any judge double the seriousness instantly. What do you think? Confidence or pure disrespect?
That's all you make?
Yeah, just about that.
Okay. Let me go ahead and calculate these numbers because you obviously came here to waste my time. So at $30,000, I have your gross calculated at $2,500
Yeah.
a month. Excuse me? Are you painting your nails in my courtroom?
Yeah, I didn't have time because I had to be here
Go
this early in the
ahead
morning.
and put the top on that nail polish. I need you to pay attention when I read these numbers off to you. Because
know
I
what
can
I
assure
make.
you,
You need to know what I make.
I can assure you it's going to be more than $20. How about that?
That's
You're on.
fine.
You see what I have to deal with.
I definitely
see
see
what
what
I
you
have
have
to
to
deal
deal with, but you know, I can't necessarily control how your sister, that is up to her. But we can make sure that you are receiving more than $20, okay?
I appreciate that.
So at $2,500 gross, that brings your net to $2,000. You said $250. Okay. So your child support obligation for 4 children is going to be $701 plus.
$701. I can't afford that.
When the calculation lands, $701 in support plus $250 in insurance. The mother's excuses collapse immediately. The moment she says, "I can't afford that," the judge hits back with the one line that ends everything. "You're upcoming," which means one day you'll be up. Translation? Your dreams don't excuse your children's needs. This ruling wasn't punishment. It was reality finally catching up. Is $951 fair in your eyes?
I got gas.
Oh, now
I
you're
got
paying
food,
attention.
I got a.
Oh, okay. So
Whatever.
$701
Yeah.
plus the $250 comes out to $951 a month That's what you're gonna pay your sister.
I don't have that, ma'am. So
Well, you know
I
what?
don't
It
know,
doesn't
whatever
matter.
you need to
So
do.
why
Guess
do
what
I see you on
ordered that, so I'm
Instagram
not gonna
popping
have-
bottles at the
Excuse
club?
me,
Why do I
excuse me.
see that?
Guess what? Guess what?
Cause
It doesn't
guys
even
bought
matter.
that for me.
It doesn't even matter. You know why? Because you're up and coming, which means one day you're going to be up and you're going to be coming to pay this $951 in child support. Is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
I ain't got that. I already told you that. So,
Okay,
I mean,
so you don't
can
have
write
any
it
other
up, but-
questions? All right. You all are dismissed.
By the end, the truth couldn't be clearer. Ms. Brown has been raising 4 kids alone while their mother lived like a single, child-free artist. The court simply corrected the imbalance. This case shows that child support isn't about convenience. It's about responsibility, consistency, and showing up. If you felt this case as deeply as we did, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more intense courtroom breakdowns.